Welcome in online teaching. Good morning, students. I am Mahesh Kumar, your math teacher. So, in the topic integers, yesterday we learned that division of integers, in which we learned two rules. Like first one is in division, if we are having different sign, then the quotient will be negative. Like here is an example in which we have to divide this 65 by minus 13. So as you are seeing here, both the number are having different sign. So we will replace this by with divide sign. It will now you will have 65 divided by minus 13. Now it can be written as 65 upon minus 13. Now as you are seeing here, this 13 and 65 both are divisible by 13, like 13 1 is 13 and 13 5 is 65. Then you will got minus 5 because of the different sign. Now, and the second rule was in division, if we have same sign of integers, then the quotient will be positive. Now here is a question, as you are seeing here, in which both the number are having same sign. Now what we will do, we will replace this by with divide sign. Now you will have minus 72 divided by minus 18. Now it can be written as minus 72 upon minus 18, as both the minus will be cancelled. And as you are seeing here, this 18 and 72 both are divisible by 18, like 18 1 is 18 and 18 4 is 72. Now you will got plus 4 because of the same sign. Now today we will do some miscellaneous questions based on this chapter. Like first question is here, the sum of two integers is 14. Here it is given that the sum of two integers is 14 and one of them is minus 8. Then we have to find the other. Then what we will do, we will assume the other number, like let the other number be x. Now we will write according to the question, like as question is saying the sum of two integers, like one integer is minus 8 and other we have assumed which is x. So x plus minus 8 equals to 14. This is the sum. Now as you are seeing here, there is a plus sign before the bracket. When you will simplify this, you will got plus minus minus, so you will got x minus 8 equals to 14. So as this, when this minus 8 will go to the other side, it will be plus 8. So you will got 14 plus 8. When you will add this, you will got 14 plus 8 equals to 22. Hence the other number is 22. Now next question is here, they are asking what must be subtracted from minus 3 to get minus 9. So again we will assume that we must be separated x from minus 3. So let the number be x. Now we will write according to the question. As it is written, we have what must be subtracted from minus 3. So we will write this minus 3 first, then we will subtract this x. So you will got minus 9, like minus 3 minus x equals to minus 9. Now as you are seeing here, when this minus 3 will go to the other side, it will become positive plus 3. Now in the right hand side, as you are having minus 9 plus 3, they are of different sign. As we know, different sign always subtract. So you will got minus 6 because the bigger number is having the bigger number is having minus sign. So as you are seeing here, like in the left hand side and right hand side, you are having minus x in the right, and in the right hand side you are having minus 6. Then both the minus will be cancelled. Now you will got x equals to 6, which is the required number. Now third question is here, they are asking by what number should minus 240 be divided to obtain 16. Now again we will assume that the number be x, that we should divide this minus 240 by x to get 16. So here let the number be x. Now again we will write according to the question. As question is saying by what number to be divided, then I have said then we should divide it by x. Then we will write minus 240 divided by x equals to 16. Now as minus 240 divided by x can be written as minus 240 upon x, and this 16 can be written as 16 upon 1. Now we will do cross multiplication, like x is multiplied by 16 and this minus 240 will multiply by 1. Now as you are seeing this 16 which is in multiplication, when go to the other side it will be in division. Now as you are seeing here, this 16 and 240 both are divisible by 8, like 8 1 is 8, 8 to 16, and when you will divide 240 by 8 you will got 30. Now as you are seeing here, this 2 and 30 both are divisible by 2, like 2 1 is 2, and when you will divide this 30 by 2 you will got 15. Hence the required number is minus 15. So students, this is all for today. We will learn more in the next session. Thank you and have a nice day.